Yes, people, I don't know. Ella Biggs there in the morning, prepare some fried dumpling and ackee and saltfish with 2 okra cut up alongside, and I understand. Yeah, man, I steam down some ackee and saltfish with them okra, them people. So, I'm going to knead up some flour. Yeah, so I'm going to knead up some flour, my people. So, I'm going to fry some dumpling. You understand, the people? Yeah, man. I don't know, so pickle you said water, I said you are going to boil to make some tea. Yes, Jack. I don't know, no people. One love and blessing in Ella Biggs there, one more day again. Yes, no people, Ella Biggs there, one more day again, you know? Yeah, man, so we have to give thanks to life. I like when I cook on the place now, so still no people. So I don't mind if you don't see me cook and wipe off same time. That's something like this, you understand? Just the people, so you walk over here, so I go and boil and see ackee. Come on, you take time I get warm, but I want to boil up, you understand? So we are going to put in the ackee and the saltfish in it. Yes, and there I go and need the flour same way. Yes, my people. So this now, people, if you don't know if you do this thing, you can link me down in the comment section and I tell you what you do. And you don't know. Everybody can cook, but not everybody can cook, and I understand. Yes, just so. It's simple, my people. So if you don't want to talk to me, you can link me down in the comment section and we'll talk about this. Alright, my people, so stay tuned. Yes, my people. You see it, my people? Yeah, man, this thing come down to you, know? Yes, my people, Ella Biggs have to need him. But people, this thing, you have to be very careful because you are going on, my people. You have to make sure so your wrist good. Because you have to go like this, you understand? Yes, my people. So you see if your wrist not good, you can't go do this, my people. Although you can use 2 hands, so you have my right hand and you have my left hand, my people. You understand? Yes, man, any hand you use, my people. Yes, so the flour come down to me, I want it, my people. So I soon show you how we're going to make them. But at the meantime, we'll wash off them ackee and people. The people. So when the ackee come off of the tree and the shell and you take it out of the shell, you know, dirt and ants and all those things. So you have to wash off the ackee, my people. You understand? Yes, my people. So that and the rings off my hand too. I'm not like when the flour white up on me and I don't need it. Yes, my people, so I put in the ackee in the pot, my people, make it boil. The saltfish. So I'll cover that, make it cook, my people. Yes, my people, so you say it's smooth and nice, I saw your flour must look, you understand? So you are going on, my people, here and look what I go on, the pop off, you don't want them too big because it will go swell. You see my people? And as I tell you now, I make my dumpling different from everybody. So Ella Biggs are showing how you make theme dumplings, so when you make it how you can make it. Yes, my people, you just there do it for love, you know, you understand the people, yeah, because I love to cook, you know, my people, so you make it like that and you will sink the middle. And the reason why you sink the middle is when you put it in the oil before it will come up. But if you don't sink the middle, you now get it round. So, when I stay tuned, people, I make one more show now. See it? Maybe in time I take to do this and I make all 4 or 5 already, but it don't really matter me, you know. In a cooking, you know, make ace. You know, ace in nothing. You understand the people? Ace make waste. So I love to take my time. Yeah, take my little time and do my little thing. See it, my people? Yes, Jack. So I eat that, my people. Dumpling and run the paper. Yes, people. So see the dumpling over there, so. Dumpling there, so my people. All bone up on me, you know, people, no here. You know, bone up, man. Don't get done, because I see some over here, so. See no people. So you don't know this over here, so for starfish and achilles, you know, with people, so. We have the okra in there, onion in there, pepper in there. See no people. I put in the saltfish. Yeah. Put in the saltfish and paper. And just spin it around. I'm going to say turn him up. Yeah, I want to make that get some color. Yeah, make the saltfish get. Then I go and take out the dumpling then make paper. Yeah, so I'm going to stay tuned so they make paper. After that paper, then I run a little black pepper. Then I go stir him up with paper. You see it? Okra and everything get up in it. Yes. But I'm going to stir that too much in it because I don't know when I want to mash up. I have to eat it to mash up. So the next movements people are eat, we're going to eat. You understand? The people we are going straight up to the food and out there. That's the tea right, that's some paper, you see it? See what I'm going on with my paper? It's in the ackee first. It's a chicken now, people. This is a chick. That's what I'm going. I use this because I want to oil the dumpling. The man have the potter job. Blessing man, you know. The paper. Yeah. Just use the spoon here. Take it up. Yeah. Understand? Now all our grease. We have to use this before you can hack it. Remember on the paper, it's just a breakfast thing in the morning, you know, understand? Yes, my people. Now rest me right over here, so my people. I don't know how my little table this. Yes, my people. Yes, Jack. Now a nice little teacup, my people. Pressing right, this one. Oh, paper. Yes, Jack. So see your thing up paper, set on my paper. Yeah. So the ackee and the saltfish. And we have some chocolate tea. And we have a glass mug. Some water in it, you understand, people? You know, water. See? So prepared now, you know, people? Pips. Yes, Jaja. So you don't know. Paint that in people, so you don't know. I'm showing in the kitchen you are there, not true?
No.
Yes, man.
Man, you see it.
Paint a friend because you don't know we have a friend but not too much, you know, people. We have a small circle, you understand? Yeah, we keep the circle very small. Yes, my peeps. You don't know, you know, my peeps, a big stir. We piss out the ear, but I don't know, I have to cover it up, you understand, my people? Yes, job, but it's not about ear still, but watch what's going on now. I will eat some ackee and saltfish, my people. See it? Ackee, saltfish. And I try to put an okra with it. You see it, my people? Yes, ma'am. So you don't know, my people, like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up the video, then my people. And click the notification bell. See it, my people? So I'm going to eat now. I'm checking out. One love.